Using the SD Touch, you're able to save up to 30% or more in energy cost via energy optimizations. Furthermore, you're able to save your own energy by creating and saving recipes. This is done both easily and efficient using the SD Touch. To create a recipe, simply press Create Recipes in Start menu. Whenever you wish to return to the Start menu, simply press the Svebadalen logo up top. Let's start by naming our recipe. Press to name and then enter preferred recipe name followed by OK. Perhaps you like to add a nice image with your recipe. In that case, press this symbol. You will now see an image library. Choose Preferred Image and press OK. It is now time to set baking time and temperature for our recipe. To set temperature, press the temperature field and set preferred temperature followed by OK. With the SD Touch, you're able to set up to 8 different temperatures for one baking session. We call them temperature steps. Press the field to the right of Set Temperature to choose for how long you want that temperature step to last. Then press OK. To add a second temperature step, press New. A new step will now show as a new field with a number showing its number. Just as temperature step 1, you set preferred temperature and time followed by OK. Should you wish to delete or edit one of the steps, you simply press Preferred Step. Edit selected step. Or simply press Delete. Should you wish to add steam to your recipe, this is done here. On the left, you set the preferred steam time. This is input in seconds. Let's settle for 15 seconds this time. On the right, you set when you want the steam added to your baking. Should you want steam right from the start, you set this value to 0 minutes. Perhaps you'd like to have additional steam steps. This is done applying the same principle used with baking time and temperature. You can set up to 8 steam steps. Later, you're free to edit or delete this step in the same way as you did with baking time and temperature. After each steam phase, the oven fan will automatically pause a few seconds. You are able to control how long these pauses are by using the fan delay field. The set time will be used for all steam phases in your recipe. In order to also add damper openings to your recipe, press the damper time field. On the left, you set the time you want the damper to be open. On the right, you set when in the recipe you want the damper to open. You're able to add up to 8 damper openings to your recipe, applying the same principle as shown earlier. All steps can of course be edited or deleted using this menu. All our ovens are equipped with a so-called cake function. It's a unique SD touch method where the fans will pulse in order to make cakes and biscuits crisper and tastier than ever before. Should you not see the cake field, use the scroll function to browse the menu. Choose Cake Field. Set preferred percentage. In this scenario, the cake function will be activated 55% of the baking time. Should you wish to bake without the cake function, simply choose 0%. Another option is to stick rotation speed regulation. This provides a more even and tastier bake. In order to achieve a change in rack rotation speed for your recipe, press the rack rotation field. On the left, you can quickly set the rack rotation speed. The standard setting is 100%. The fastest setting is 140%, whereas the lowest is 35%. You're also able to add changes in rack rotation speed. The principle is the same as earlier. Press New, mark the step you just created, and set your preferred values. In the field on the right, you set the time for when in the recipe the change in speed should occur. Some of our ovens are equipped with fan speed regulation. This is a finesse setting for master bakers who need total control and overview in their baking. In order to achieve a change in fan speed in your recipe, you simply press the fan field. The principle used here is similar to the one used in rack rotation. On the left, you set desired fan rotation speed. The standard setting is 100%. The fastest setting is 140%, whereas the lowest is 80%. You're able to set multiple changes in fan speed. On the right, you set when in the recipe you want the change of speed to occur. In this scenario, the fan speed will increase to 90% after 8 minutes of the baking time. Well, now we're all set. To save your delicious recipe to the recipe bank, simply press Save Recipe. When you see this screen, you press OK. There, we're all done.